हेलो पीपल, मैं काफ़ी वक्त से ऑनलाइन नहीं आ रही हूँ आई एम कमिंग फॉर लाइव समटाइम्स, बट आई थिंक मुझे टेक्निकलिटीज़ थोड़ी समझनी बाकी है अभी भी. आई एम स्टिल टू लर्न सर्टन टेक्निकलिटीज़, सो इवन इन रिगार्ड्स टू सर्टन फिल्टर्स दैट वी अप्लाई to make it more presentable for people to feel like wanting to get a read. So that is one of the things, but I'm coming up with certain things जिसमें मैं और ज़्यादा अच्छे से कर पाऊँ. So this is one of the things that I feel I want to restart doing it. Right now I'm going to do a general read health message for different signs. मैं ये fast and quick करने वाली हूँ because of the battery required for the phone, and as you can see the plug is in opposite direction for whatever reason. Now what I'm going to do is health message for different signs. Health message for different signs: Aries, Taurus, Leo, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, all those stuff. So I'll do it very quick and I think आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा information मिल जाएगा. The health message for this week for the sun sign of Aries. I'm doing sun sign. Usually I do moon signs, but today I am doing sun sign starting from Aries. What is the health message for Aries for the week from now onwards? For this week, what is the message that Divine Spirit wants to give to Aries sun sign? What is it that they literally want to say it to Aries sun sign? I think in this week relationships are important for you all. Please stay positive in regards to relationship, because even though it has come up for the reading of health, it is related somewhere. Your relationships are affecting your health. So staying positive in relationships is the most important, prominent health message by your divine from above. Okay. The second second sign, Taurus sign. Health message for Taurus sign for the week from now. So within this week, what is it that you need to keep priority to about that would affect your health? Show us about Taurus sun sign for this week. I think you need to eat more organic food. Some of the Taurus people are recovering from some things. It may be on the very highest level, it may be from mediocre level, and it may be something which is very minor in your system. You are on the recovery place. So Taurus people, you need to eat more organic, like green leafy vegetables mostly. That would help you recover, and this week is for you a recovery and a hopeful period for Taurus people. So eating is favorite for Taurus as far as we know about Taurus sign. So you can go organic, eat natural healthy food instead of taking vitamins. Take green leafy vegetables. Even if you can grow it at your place, and use that. Third sign, Gemini. For this week, a health tip, a health message for Gemini for this week. Okay, I think you also are improving your health. Your health is quite fine. I think one of the elderly person in your life, that is Gemini, I think you need to care for them, and because I believe angels are saying they are the angels in your life. So Gemini, somebody elder in your family or somebody whom you consider like a teacher, you can connect to them, you can take care of them. Try to plant trees, Geminis, if possible. This is not the prominent message, but this is one of the possible message. Prominent message is your health is on a good place. It is at a good place. Keep faith and keep working. Connect with the elderly person in your life, and that would affect your health in a very positive way additionally, because actually basically your health is quite fine. Now Cancerian, health message for Cancerian. What is it that they can do that will make their health way better. What is the message for this week to do for Cancerians to get their health better? Cancerians, sun sign. Health tip. People, I think you are eating or getting something on your body which are allergic to you. I'm not sure what it is. It can be cream, it can be drinking, it can be eating something. I also feel there are people, Cancerian sign, are you into drinking mode, are you into weed mode or something like that, because it is talking about become sober. Sobriety is the way to go for you, and you need to avoid allergens. That is what the main message is. So if in case you are allergic to certain medicines, allergic to certain things, or you think that your skin is started getting irritated, you get irritated on your skins or nervous system or mood swings, something happens, it seems to me it's about some food that you're taking, some form of intake that is allergic for you. I do feel people who are into drinking, spirits are highly guiding you to become sober. This week is very important for you to listen to this message. It is important. Now we go to Leo sun sign. Leo sun sign, what is the health message for Leo sun sign for this week, Spirit? Divine Spirit. I did feel that way. I was getting that as a sixth sense. My intuition was guiding me to do that. Leos, you are healers. Some of the Leos which I am connecting to, or who have connected to this video at the time that you have connected, I think you are healers and you know it very well. I do believe that God is telling you to use your healing abilities, may it be Reiki, EFT, pranic healing, anything. You are supposed to use those healing abilities for yourself and recovery for yourself. Accept that you are a healer and use those gifts for yourself in terms of healing yourself. I do not feel it's much about others, but if in case you are guided to do something about others, it would be more likely an animal. So connect to your healing abilities, use those healing abilities for yourself and accept that part of you as a personality. Work with that. I'm not saying heal others, but if you are guided to heal others, it is related to animals. Now, Virgo. What is the message, main message, Spirit, for Virgo in regards to health message for Virgo? Virgos, connect to your, I think you're not getting enough sunlight, Virgos. You also need sunlight. I think you are away from sunlight. For some reason, you are not connecting to sunlight. I also feel there is an issue with faith. Faith in the sense you are not able to connect with your God, godliness or divinity. Learn to connect to your angels and tell them to take your concerns and ask them for help in many ways, that in whatever ways they can help you. Get their help. And I also feel you are more concerned about some elderly person in your family. So I think they need care. It doesn't mean that they are not in good health. It just means that spend time with them. That would help your health as well, along with the people whom you love and care for. Now, the sun sign Libra. Libra sign for this week. What is the health message for Libran sun sign for this week? I'm doing this fast because of the battery that I am facing, battery issue that I'm facing. Librans, you have lots and lots of things that you are thinking about. You are worried quite a lot, especially probably about love life. That is what is the first impression that I got. Probably you are worried about a relationship or something which is not very conditional. Sorry, that is not very unconditional. You need to get into unconditional mode of loving. I do not think you are stretching. Maybe it's the physical issue that is going on with you. I'm not sure, because this is a general reading for the whole sign, that is the Libran. I do feel that maybe you're lacking exercise, and also you are coming from a place of conditionality and you're unable to be unconditional. So that is also affecting. But if in case you're not able to be unconditional to a person, you can usually watch the videos, or if you don't have a pet, you can watch a video or connect to those things like cats and dogs, whichever are your favorite, which will help you feel the joy within. So it's an unconditional joy without wanting to give and take. That is what you need to focus on this week. Now, Libra के बाद Scorpio. Scorpio, show me Scorpio. What is the message for Scorpion sign for this week? Health message for Scorpion sign for this week. Again, Scorpion, you're not. You need to meditate more often. You need to connect to your divine. I think you need to meditate is the most prominent thing for this week. I do not feel that you are getting your vitamin D as much. Please connect and check with your weaknesses in the bones, weaknesses in the area of. Hi, so we are back. Now we were on the level of Scorpions. Scorpions, you need to accept the fact that you need to meditate more often, and I do believe there is, in regards to sunlight, in regards to vitamin D3, in regards to the movement of your body, there is some kind of weakness because of the vitamin D3 effect. So please get it checked. I'm not saying go for the test, but there are ways to check it out if you can. You can, because sometimes on the basis of the symptoms we can understand if we are depleted in certain particular vitamins, especially if it is related to bones. It can be sunlight, it can be vitamin D3, which is coming from both. We get vitamin D3 from sunlight actually. Now Scorpions, we come to Sagittarius sun sign. Show me Sagittarius. The week's tip message for Sagittarius sign. Health message for Sagittarius. Oh, that's a good one. I think Sagittarians is up to the mark. They have increased energy, so you need to utilize your energy in a better way. That is what is angels and spirit is guiding you to do. You have lots of energy, and you also need to focus on joking around, having fun, taking it light, going more towards laughter energy. That would help you. And also in this week, diet is very important, especially fruits, berries and grapes or certain things. That is very important for you, Sagittarius. That would help you. I think you have increased energy in your life. In general, utilize that energy in a very constructive manner. That is, channelize that energy in a constructive manner. Now we go to, after Sagittarius is which sign? I think Sagittarius के बाद the Scorpio आता है शायद. Anyway, we go to Capricorn. Next, Capricorn. The tip, health message for this week for Capricorn. Health message for this week, Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, you need to forgive somebody. I think you are holding a grudge about certain things, and I feel you are consistently very negative about certain situation that has happened in your life. You need to forgive on a spiritual level. That would really help, and that forgiveness will occur when you are meditating, intentionally to stay positive and forgive them. That would definitely be a tip for health, for your health to get better. I do not see any issues as much, but I do see that has an impact on your health. So you need to stay positive, get into meditation, forgiving, and meditate with an intention of staying positive and forgiving the person, maybe in a relationship that you are not able to. Now we go to Aquarius sign for the tip, health tip for Aquarius this week. Health tip for Aquarius this week. I think Aquarians, you need to connect to the child of yourself within you. You as an inner child. play more. I'm not talking about certain games which are destructive. I'm talking about the games that are funny, maybe like Ludo, maybe like Snakes and Ladders, maybe something which is childlike, maybe play with dolls, maybe make the dolls. Or if you have children at home, please play with them. Please play with the toys with them. Aquarians, I think you need to do that. Connect to the inner child by playing. You don't need to go out for it. You can even doodle, you can make cartoons. All those things help you to connect with the inner child. Now, I also see you need to pray more often. I do not know whether you pray often or not, but I do see it's a message for Aquarians, that is Kumbh Rashi, to pray more often. And understand what, pray, and I am really strongly getting a message of connecting with your inner child, which is a very strong message. I think there is an inner child wounding that right now needs your attention. You need to connect with that inner child, help it to grow out of a particular situation. Anything that can be wounded, it may be just play deprived, we don't know, because this is a general thing. And get that inner authority about with yourself. Get into alternative healing. Alternative healing, it can be Reiki, it can be pranic, it can be anything, EFT, access bars, anything. You need to use that for your healing, especially the inner child thing, especially the emotional inner child thing. That is Aquarians, your message for this week. Pisces, the last sign, Pisces. What is the message, health tip for the Pisces this week? For this week, what does Pisces need to do for the betterment of their health, or for the optimal productivity of their health? Show me this week's tip for Pisces sun sign. I think you're not exercising, Pisces. I think you are completely off balance in so many areas of your life. You're not exercising, you are not researching on the health situation that you might be facing. Pisces, you are not even connecting with the God. I'm really sorry, but I think that amongst all the signs, Pisces is most imbalanced this week. You need to connect with the exercise. It can be pranayam, it can be breathing exercises, it can be physical exercises, depending on the level that right now you are able to work with, but you need to. Second, I do feel that there are certain health situations that you are not attending to, or you are not working or researching on it, and you are being a bit abusive towards your health. Abusive doesn't mean you are misusing your health. That is what I'm getting for Pisces. You are not even coming from faith this week. So I really feel you need to take a step back. Pisces, this is the sign which has got the most need to attend towards their health. So I hope these general readings, which are small, quite minutely small, because of I'm just scared of this battery going off. So I want to give out the message as soon as possible. This is the health tip for this week. You know the date when it is published, so you are aware. For tarot reading, you can connect to me. For numerology, you can connect to me. For coaching, I'm doing various courses. I'm offering various courses, which is money magnet course, chakra course, even attract the love of your life course, which has a varied level. So whichever level suits you financially, emotionally, work-wise, you can connect to that, and it's all online. So you can connect to me for tarot reading as well. You need to only connect to me via email. So that's all for now. And if you want to contribute something for the growth of my work, you can PayPal me, email me. I will give you the PayPal, or PayPal is here. If it is mentioned here, it would be lovely as a contribution to receive something for the work that we want to do for the growth of career, so that I can do better. I'm inspired more. Anyway, I would really be inspired anyway. I would work with it, and let's see in the next video what I can help you with and the tips.